convenience, think river views, and think high security. Three things that accurately sum up 33 Malcolm Street, West Perth, a group of 42 boutique apartments that offer such a lifestyle, it's honestly going to be hard to match. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian, and let's go have a look. Welcome to apartment 29, where your first impression is your lasting impression. An open plan, modern kitchen with induction cookings connected directly to your dining and your living zones, all that partake in this breathtaking $1 million view. Or if that's not enough, then step outside to this generous sized balcony where you can feel the fresh breeze and soak up everything that this lifestyle apartment has to offer. The master bedroom is a decent size with inbuilt sliding robes, reverse cycle air conditioning and a beautiful ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom is also a great size and is right next to a second bathroom for total convenience. Located right on the cusp of the city, everything that this beautiful location has to offer is almost at your doorstep. I look forward to showing you through shortly.